Hello guys, today's video we are talking about barbary lions and know about all key details and facts. So without getting late, let's get started the video. Barbary lion was found in North America at Atlas. He was an ancient lion that has high mane on the body and he was more muscular and heavier than normal lion. And he was found in at the age of human born them. He hunted many animals of their time like Barbary sheep, camels, gazelles, and etc. Barbary lion height is 4 feet tall and weight is according to 200 to 270 kilogram and its bite force is 1000 psi to 1050 psi bite force and length is 10 feet long and he was living pack but after the human interference and food lack of food they were going to extinct in 1960 and the last barbary lion was extinct in 1960 and that reason he declared extinct. But barbary lions was a legendary lion and he was more durable than normal lion and he was very powerful than tiger. So that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.